Oh my, Huawei nailed it again. The Nova 14 Pro looks premium. Slim bezels, curved glass edges, and that signature shimmer finish that just catches the light beautifully. It feels lightweight but solid with great balance in the hand. Up front, you're getting a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and crisp 1.5K resolution. The colors pop, it's bright enough outdoors, and the curved edges give it that flagship vibe we used to see in $1,000 phones. Under the hood, Huawei's running its own Kirin 9000S chip. It's not quite Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 level, but it's surprisingly smooth. Everyday tasks, social media, even gaming all feel fast and fluid. Now, the big thing to note, no Google services out of the box. You'll be using Huawei's AppGallery and Petal search. It's improved a ton, but if you rely on Google apps, there's still a bit of a workaround needed. Cameras, this is where Huawei shines. You get a 50-megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide, and a solid telephoto lens. The photos look vibrant with that classic Huawei sharpness and contrast. Low light performance is excellent, and the selfie camera up front is one of the cleanest I've seen on a mid-range device. Honestly, it rivals some flagships in color accuracy and detail. Battery life, no worries here. The 4800 milliamp cell easily lasts all day, and the 100-watt super fast charging is insane. 0 to full in under 30 minutes. That's flagship level speed. So, should you buy the Huawei Nova 14 Pro? If you're outside the US, it's an incredible value. Premium design, strong performance, and excellent cameras. For US users, the lack of Google support is still a hurdle, but if you can live without it, this phone is a seriously impressive piece of tech. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews.